All right, we're at this vacant, non-performing note in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's on a gorgeous neighborhood, big trees, big houses. It is a payoff on this is $394. They've missed a payment since September of 2024, where the bar passed away. Bar's car is still in here. Property is in good shape. There's a layer of dust inside. Peeking in the house, you can see it's got wooden flooring, nice fixtures. It's actually very, very clean. Don't have a lockbox code, but we were able to get in the backyard on this one. It's a 2,852 square foot home, built in 1989. You can kind of see a little bit in here. It's a layer of dust in there. Big bedroom, big bedroom. We got a pool out back here, but the pool is dry. So, monthly balance is $202,000. The bar's been dead for a couple years. Total payoff on this is $394. As his value is about $350. Nice thing is the pretty almost close done to being done with the foreclosure process on it. Foreclosure is set for November 9th of 2026. So that's basically in just about 6 months. So probably worth about 400, maybe. Bank says 350 right now, but it could be a nice house with not much needed as far as TLC. Just gonna buy it, finish the foreclosure, and then do some light rehab and list it.